Hi, welcome to another edition to Morgoth Media, where today I'm going to be reviewing the chicken BBQ Smokehouse from McDonald's. Let's get in there, let's have a little look. So there's the box. Have a little look in there. Got quite a bit of salad in this one as well by the looks of things. Nice bun, that looks quite nice. Let's have a look in there. So we've got a sauce in there, you've got a barbecue sauce, and you can see that in there. Quite a bit of barbecue sauce in there, so you've got lettuce in there, you've got a nice bit of cheese amongst all that lettuce. Then you've got some bacon in there as well, lovely, and then you've got your chicken. Let's have a look at that chicken, see if there's anything like the other day. Yeah, it's proper chicken. None of that processed crap that other companies do. So it's proper bit of chicken. Right, let's push this back together and give it a go, shall we? Let's get in it. It's got big shards of onions in it. Don't really like them, but we'll leave it in there for this one. Let's get in there, shall we? Quite a bit hard to hold this in one hand, to be fair. Right, let's get in there. Oh, okay. So this is made up of 2 strips of chicken inside it. So not one burger, it's just 2 strips of chicken, bacon, lettuce, cheese, and the barbecue smoke sauce. Let's get in there, see what it's like. I wouldn't say it's awful. It's okay. It's a bit dry though. I can see why they put all that salad in it, but it needs more moisture. It's very dry. It's a chicken coating. The coating on the chicken that makes it very dry, a bit rough to go down, to be fair. Get one more bite. Let's give it a go. It's nothing special. It really isn't. I've had better. It's very dry. It's the outer coating of the chicken. It's just it needs more sauce. There's very little sauce in there. See, that's nice on its own like that. But with the bread, the bacon, I think I'd give it 6. Yeah, it's okay. Nothing special. I wouldn't order it again. Another one I wouldn't order again. I think this one, KFC, beats this one all day long. Anyway, thanks for watching.